In today's video, I'll walk you through how to use advanced tracking mode in the Sleepwatch app on your Apple Watch. This feature can help you estimate how long it takes to fall asleep. And thanks to the built-in smart alarm, you can wake up during lighter sleep to help you feel less groggy during the day. So let's dive in. Advanced tracking mode adds extra insights to your sleep tracking. Besides logging how long you sleep, it estimates how long it takes you to fall asleep. Plus, the smart alarm will gently wake you during a light sleep phase within your chosen 30-minute wake-up window. Before activating this feature, make sure you're done with your nighttime routine, like brushing your teeth or reading bedtime stories. When you're ready to sleep, open the Sleepwatch app on your Apple Watch. Swipe right and you'll see the Start Sleeping button. Use the crown to set your wake-up window, then tap the button to begin. Make sure this mode is only used for your main sleep session of the night. Once you activate advanced tracking, you'll get a confirmation message saying, "Sweet dreams." Then just leave the session running overnight. Don't stop it until your sleep is done for the night. During your chosen wake-up window, the smart alarm will gently vibrate if it detects you're in a light sleep. If it doesn't detect light sleep, no worries, it will wake you at the end of your window. When you wake up, just turn off your smart alarm to end and record your session. If you get up at night, it'll automatically track the activity as well as returning to bed. Quick tip, manually turning off the alarm during the night ends the session, so you'll need to start a new one if that happens. After waking up, open the Sleepwatch app on your iPhone. In the Today tab, you'll find your time to fall asleep result right under the total sleep time widget. Now keep in mind, advanced tracking mode is a premium feature. Our advanced tracking mode is just one of many great features included in our premium plan. It's packed with functionality and backed by top-notch support, making it an excellent value. However, you don't need this feature to log basic sleep stats. Just wearing your Apple Watch to bed will do the trick. That's it for today. With advanced tracking, you'll gain deeper insights into your sleep habits, and who doesn't want better sleep? Give it a try and let me know how it works for you in the comments. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you'll never miss out on more helpful content like this. Sweet dreams, everyone!